Hello and welcome to another video. Today I'm going to show you on the 15-minute and the 5-minute the S&P 500 result for this week. We will look for RBI and GBIs. Alright, let's get it. So what we can see here, this is the 2 p.m. European time, but it's 8 in the morning in New York. So don't be confused by that, and we will look for RBI and GBI. RBI, it's red bar ignored, and GBI, it's green bar ignored. And we can see here the first opportunity on Monday, straight before the pre-opening, but that's the opportunity, that's the first trade. We have a big push up, buyers. We have the first red bar ignored. We enter the trade just above the body close. We give like 8 points stop loss, and we target 8 points, and that's the winner. All right, so let me give you just a sign here. That's a winner. Let's continue this trade. That's another trade opportunity. I will not take this trade because it's late, but I will show you it will work out. 2.3, and we target 2.3. It's a winner. All right, but I will not count this as a trade because it's very late. Normally I don't trade after 8 p.m. because actually I could from 8 to 10. That's a power hour in New York, but I will not count it today. Let's go to the next day. That's Tuesday. Again, it's 2 p.m. European time, 8 in the morning New York. So what do we see here? We see nothing, and then we have an opportunity at 5:45 European time, so it's 11:45 in New York. Here we go. That's the entry. You can see above here. Stop loss, it's going below 3.6, 3.7 I will do, and we target 3.7, and that's a winner. And let me show you this very close so you will see this is a very clear winner. Let me show you. Let me move my camera here. You see that? Very nice winner. And if somebody will say, well, that's a stop loss. No, it's not. It didn't hit our stop loss because we entered the trade here on the top. So this green candle, first it's opening here and it's going down, and then it's coming back up. So technically it looks like it hit our stop loss, but it didn't, because it went first down and then up, and we got in the trade when this green candle went up. That's very, very important. All right, and then you can see it hit our trade TP in 10-15 minutes. All right, let's continue. That's a winner. And this is Asian time. Let's go to Wednesday. Here we go. We get immediately opportunities, but that's before 2 p.m. So let's continue. What do we see here? This is 7:45. I will not trade that because normally I don't trade after 6:30. I don't trade European time, so it's after 12 New York. But let's just check if this would be a hit. If we enter this trade here, I put my stop loss 2.3, 2.4, 2.3. That would be probably a loser or a win. I don't know, but I will not consider this as a trade because I'm not trading this time. 6:30 the latest. I try to be finished before 6, so that's before lunch, New York. Let's continue to Thursday. Here we go. What do we see? We see a big push, but we don't have any signals, any RBI, GBIs from the indicator that we are using. All right, nothing today. All right, let's go to Friday. Another immediately opportunity, but we are not trading, or we could if you start before watching the market. In this case, perfect trade opportunity, but I will not count this because we trade from 2 p.m., 8 in the morning New York, and then nothing. So let me check what do we have now on the 15th. We have I believe 2 trades. One trade Tuesday and another trade on Monday. So we got 2 trades on the 15 minute, 2 wins. All right, let's check again. 1 trade positive, 2, and then this is it. 2 trades on the 15 minutes. All right, and let's go now to the 5 minute, and now we will have more opportunities on the 5 minute. It's always like that. You can see this is the 15-minute trade. I will not count that. Let's continue to see. This is 7. I'm usually not trading this time. No, I will not take this trade, but if you would trade this, here we go. It's a winner, but I will skip this one. That's Asia. Let's go to Tuesday. Here we go. Very nice on the 5 minute. So Tuesday, we get immediately this opportunity. RBI, we enter above the body candle close, 2.6, so let's 3 points, another 3 points, here we go. And that's a winner on the 5 minute chart. And then we have another here, control bar, pushing back up, very strong. RBI, red bar ignored. We enter the trade just above the red candle for our target 5 points. Let me see if we hit it. Yes, we do. Another profitable trade. Following simple indicator, the setups, and we just take the trades when we have the setup. Here we go. 2 trades on Tuesday, Monday nothing. So I will just write here on the 5 minute, we have 2 wins. And then let's continue. This is from the 15. I will not watch this. Let's go to Wednesday now. Here we go. That's Wednesday on the 5 minute. We see nothing, nothing, nothing. And this trade here we have. You see, that's before 6 p.m. I would still trade that. And that's before 12, before lunch in New York. So we take this trade. We take it just above the body. Stop loss is going below 0.8. I will target 1.2, 1.3. Let's see if it's a winner. 1.3. And this trade would be a loser. Very, very close, but it would be a loser because we will get triggered here. We will go up and then it will not hit our target. So it will be a loser or break even. Depends if you move the stop loss to break even when you're already here, but I will count this as a loser. So it's a loss trade. Here we go. I will write here 1 loser, 1 loss. All right, let's continue.
You subscribe and like this video.
This we are not trading anymore because it's 8, and this as well. Technically I trade this from 8 to 10, but I will not trade it today. It's a win, 2 more trades, but we will not count that. I just want to show you the first 2 hours because yeah, that's what we trade. Here we go. Another opportunity after market open. We had a signal control bar, red bar ignored. We enter here. Our stop loss is 1.3, 1.4. We target 1.4. And this would be not a winner, so that would be a loss. Okay, another loss. Let's continue. Nothing anymore today. And let's go to another day. Here we go. But guys, not everything it's a winner. We lose as a trader as well. It's more important that when we win more than we lose. Here we go, control bar, that's a 230 opening. It's perfect. We just enter below the body from the green candle. 1.3 stop loss. 1.3. I will not even have it like 0.2. That's a winner. Money sign. All right. And I will just write it here so don't forget. So we had one win. And I forgot we had a loser before, or it was a winner. I think it was a loser. Yeah. So it was 2 loss, 1 win. All right. Let's continue. And we get another opportunity immediately. Okay, we enter here the trade. Stop loss below the candle, 2.3, exactly, and we target 2.3. That's a winner. Perfect. All right, so another winner, 1 win. Okay. Do we have something else? We have this as well. I will still trade that. And I will take another trade here. You can see below the green body, stop loss, it's going here, 2.2, 2.3. And we target 2.2, 2.3. That was a big move now. So it's another win. And because it's 625, I will probably still trade this after seeing this big push down and a retracement to like 50-60% and a big push selling down. So that's another win. And then of course you got another opportunity here, another opportunity, and here if you really wanted to trade more. Look at these opportunities here. Another win, 2 more trades. So 1, 2, 3, 4 more trades on Friday you could take and make money. All right, so it's another win, 1 win. So what do we have? We have on the 5 minute 2 wins, 2 losers, and 3 wins. So in total we have 3 wins on the 5 minute chart. All right, this is how it works. You take every signal, every setup, you will have winners and you will have losers. That's important. But on the 15 minute we got 2 wins, and on the 5 minute we got 3 wins. So now if we combine this together, we have actually 5 wins, because the 15 minute trades, they were not the same like the 5 minute. All right, so that's why you need to trade both 15 and the 5 minute. And together we have now 5 wins for this week. So if you trade €100 risk per trade, you would make this week $500. If you risk $500 per trade, you would make this week $2,500. If you risk $1,000 per trade, which you can, well, that would be $5,000 this week. It's just all about the risk. If you risk just $10, €10, £10, whatever is your currency, you would make $50. 100, 500. 500, 2,500. I think you get it, right? So if you have any questions, please comment below. Send me an email. If you want me to show you next week something else like the Nasdaq, Dow Jones, let me know in the comments below. Thank you and see you next time.
You click subscribe, like, and see you next time.